Good morning, students. Welcome back to our geography class. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. In the previous class, we had discussed about the political division and the islands of the continent. Today, we will discuss about the physical divisions of the continent. The physical features of South America can be divided into four divisions: the Western Mountains, the Western Coastal Plains, the Central Lowlands, and the Eastern Highlands. Today we will start the Western Mountains. The Western Mountains are located toward the west of the continents, in which you can see the Andes Mountains are extended from north toward south. The Andes Mountains are young fold mountains. They are also called Western Cordillera. Cordillera means a chain of mountain range. Andes are the second highest mountain in the world. They form a formidable barrier from Venezuela in the north to Tierra del Fuego in the south. These mountains run roughly parallel to the west coast. Features of Andes Mountains. The Andes Mountains comprises a range of rugged snow-covered peaks, grassy plateaus, valley filled with glacier, and steep slopes. The Andes are fold mountains, therefore active volcanoes and several earthquakes occur here. This is because the Andes Mountains are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, encircling the basin of the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ring of Fire means the Circum-Pacific Belt is a path along the Pacific Ocean which is characterized by active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. The majority of earthquakes, volcanoes take place along the Ring of Fire. The Mount Cotopaxi is the highest active volcano in the world. Mount Chimborazo is another important peak of Andes Mountains. The Andes Mountains consist of about 3 parallel ranges enclosing a number of plateaus between them. The plateau of Bolivia is the largest intermontane plateau of the Andes Mountains. Students, as you all know, the meaning of intermontane plateau means the plateau surrounded by all the sides of mountains. Lake Titicaca is the second largest lake of South America. Many swift flowing rivers originate from Andes and join the Amazon River. So children, see these two images and find out the answer of these questions. How many countries are in the Andes Mountains? Name them. Name the continents that are located along the Pacific Ring of Fire. We will discuss the answer in the interactive class. So children, today we have learned about physical division of South America, location of the Western Mountains, features of Andes Mountains. If any doubt, we will discuss in the interactive class. Thank you and have a nice day.